Well, everyone, what's up? It's Jeff from New York, and we are in Las Vegas. We are visiting the Las Vegas Premium Outlets South today. So if you're in the middle of the Las Vegas Strip, say around the Bellagio, South would be heading towards Mandalay Bay, and this place is about a good, I'd say 8 to 10 miles south of that on the left-hand side. I got here via the Deuce bus, and once you pass the Mandalay Bay, it's probably about a 15-20 minute ride. Let's check it out. So on this particular visit to Las Vegas, I had a very nice win on my first day here. Typically, when I have a lot of little wins, I continue to play, but when I get a big win, I have two options. Both involve taking the money and running. The first option is to take my money, put it in the safe, and hope I don't gamble it away before I leave town. The second is to go shopping, which is what I decided to do with this win here. The cool thing about shopping is you can't go back to the casino and lose what you've won, and when you get home, you have stuff waiting for you, like really cool merchandise that you bought in Vegas. Among other things, I picked up some polo shirts and some dress shirts for work, a couple pairs of sneakers, some shorts and slacks, and some active wear as well. So we'll walk through this mall. It's a very long mall, and if I feel the need to break in every once in a while, I will, but in the meantime, enjoy some music. Hey, if you're enjoying this video, please hit that subscribe button and smash that thumbs up. It really does help the channel out.
This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video.
Check out the NewYorkVegas.com link in the description below. If you're planning a trip to Las Vegas, you could save up to 50% on hotels, restaurants, shows, and attractions. And that's pretty much it for the Premium Outlets South. We'll be visiting the Premium Outlets North a couple weeks later, where everyone's wearing masks and most of the stores are open. The Premium Outlet North is located just a little bit south of Fremont Street. Hey, it's Jeff from New York, and let me tell you something. This is one freaking hot town. It was just my imagination. Running away with me. Just my imagination. Running away with me.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.